With the item reclassification journal, you can reclassify items, for example, from one location to another, but also from one bin to another, between serial numbers, lot numbers, expiration dates, and so on. So let's make a simple example. So I will go to the search function and search for item reclassification journals. And here you can see what an item reclassification journal is basically all about. So reclassifying is going from something to something new. So from a location to a new location, from a department to a new department, and so on. So here you can already see a few examples, but by clicking on personalize, so let me show you this. And then by clicking on add field, if you then check everything that starts with new, you can see what you can use a reclassification journal for. Now, most of these fields are already displayed, but you can see that you could also add the bin code, new bin code field. So in case that you use a location with bin codes to move an item from one bin to the other. Okay, so let's stick to the example location, new location. So I will enter a posting date, then a document number, then the item number, and let's use the Mexico swivel chair once more. And I would like to reclassify one unit from location east to location main. There we go. And that's basically it. So that's the only thing that you need to do. So now by clicking on post, print, and then select post, I can post the item reclassification journal line. And let's quickly check the results. So I will go to items and search for the Mexico swivel chair. And you can see that, and that's quite obvious, that we still have 8 units in stock, because a reclassification journal will never change the number of units that you have on stock. But what did change is that we now have 1 unit less in location east and 1 additional unit in location main. And you can see that if you pose a reclassification journal, the item ledger entries get the entry type transfer. So that's one way of transferring items in Business Central, but there's another one by using transfer orders, and that's covered in the learning path on multiple locations.